Hi! In front of me is Oppo Find X3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into tab menu. Now you need to look for one-handed mode icon and click on it. If you can't find it over here, click on this icon with paper and pen at the top right corner of your tab menu and look for it over here. Then hold it and drag it to the top. But I already have it over here, so I can click on it right away, and as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. You can change placement of it by clicking on this icon at the bottom right or left corner. If you were to go back, click on this one at the top right or left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!